In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone locked to owner message. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the reason this comes up is if you try and input your passcode or your password to unlock your phone, if you input it too many times in the wrong way. So too many incorrect attempts will basically make your iPhone unavailable. There's probably going to be a timer on it. So go ahead and see if there's a timer where it says iPhone unavailable. It's going to start at like 1 minute and then it's going to increase to 5 minutes, then 10 minutes, then 1 hour. Then it's just going to basically be locked. So see if you have a timer, because you might just have to let that timer, expire, and then you'll be able to log in again. But if you've tried too many times and there's been too many attempts and you don't have a timer anymore, then what you're going to have to do is hard reset your iPhone. So what you're going to have to do is hold down your volume down button and your power button together, and once you do that, you're going to see slide to power off, and then just go ahead and slide to power off your device fully. And then once you go ahead and do that, then turn it on again, and normally you would just have to turn it on by holding down this button, but this time hold your volume down button together and your power button together to turn back on your iPhone. But make sure your phone is also charging right now using just your normal charger at the same time while you're trying to turn on your phone again. When you do that, you're basically going to be on a page and it's going to show that you're going to have to connect your phone to a PC and use iTunes to unlock your device again, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.